Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna show you my toys and art stuff. Let's start with toys. So you have to wait a while. Here's a board, blackboard. We write with the chalk. Here's a box chalk. And on the other side it's a whiteboard with the pen. And there's a scrub, this is a sponge so you can clean it up. So you have to wait a while. After opening how it looks like, here's the blackboard and here's the whiteboard. Let me see the chalk and write on it. Here's the chalk. This box is closed tight. So here it looks like white and black. So now I write my name. Hey, this chalk doesn't work. Or I'm using it right now. It is very good. Here, so I write Noor in a big heart. So now I'm gonna erase it. Let's see, this one can erase. Yeah, this one can erase very nicely, but look at this one, it's still dirty. Now let's put it away. This mess. And now I'm gonna put. There's another one. Look, there are two colors. Not two colors. There's two. Okay. So here is the next toy. I already opened it. So the other away. So here is two things. Whatever we call these, and now I'm just gonna take out the next item. It's very hard to know where it's all opening. Here's a saw. So now I'm gonna turn it open. It's very hard. I can't put my hand here. Hey, look what I got. I got instructions. I got a box, and I got a hammer. This is a, I don't know what is it. And here's another one. And here I got this one time. So now I'm gonna tie this hat and wear it on. That's very nice. I got a new hat. Now I hope it doesn't get off any other time. Now here it is. I have a rat. Look. I have to bend down because nobody is up. Look. Look at me. Now I'm gonna put on this thing. I know what is this. Now I'm gonna turn it. Oh, that happens all the time. I sometimes put it. Now I'm gonna put all the tubes in it. First I'm gonna start with this. Oh, that's all the time problem. I'm gonna put all the tubes in. First, this saw goes in here. I'm gonna build her. My ears are hurting because I got so much stuff in my ears. And put that. Look at me. I'm a bodybuilder. My dad says that all the time.
Not a bodybuilder, no? Building.
I'm a builder. I'm a builder.
I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna fix this table. That's very silly. These are sticky notes. So done with the sticky notes. We got some pom-poms and some finger lights. This is a toy, not an activity. I'm gonna open it up. Very hard to open these stuff. Anyway. Okay, I opened it a little bit. Here's the light. You can put it on your finger like this, and you can put it like this and play something. Oops. Working too hard. There's a rubber for me. Now to turn it around, put it on my finger. Now let's see how does it. It looks like this, a bunch of rings. Now it's gonna be looking pretty when it's gonna be dazzling, isn't it? My hand is rainbow now. Now I'm just gonna close it so the battery doesn't turn off, and white looks like a purple. So these are some flowers. There are some white, so you can peel it off and put it anywhere. And use it for walls now. So got some more. And some more. And I got this puzzling thing. Now look at this. This is a puzzle. It's first like this. Then there's some puzzles like this. And now I'm going to show you how does it look. Now I'm going to open it up. So first of all, I'm going to open the top. I don't know where to open it from. No problem. Puzzles. So this is a puzzle board. Got all the puzzles. Just put these away. Now I'm going to solve this. The one, here's a puzzle of a helicopter, and here's a drawing of a girl, and here's the one picture that it should look like, and here's a car, and here's a flower, and there's the same picture up here. And this is the same one. This is two kids sitting on it, and I'm gonna solve it from now. Go to my jewelry. Here's a pack of bracelets I bought. It's very nice. It has some beads on it, little ones, and this is like it's sweet. And here's another one with simple beads. I want to open it right now, but I can't. We'll open it later, and I'm gonna show you when I will wear it. Next, here's my hairband. It's very nice. It got some gems around and some white felt. And here's the black, and here's the same one, but it's black. And here's another one, I found it. It's with 3 flowers on the side, and another one is in today's video. Write in the comment below what did you like the most, and tell me about what other things I can show you. Friends, bye everybody and friends.